This is Daniel from Ready Mixer, and today we're doing an equipment demonstration on the hopper. This is our second generation of hopper. It has a little bit more bells and whistles than our first generation. And of course, like always, I'll give you a breakdown of each component on the hopper, and then we'll walk around it. And then we'll also have a section of the video where we get to see the equipment run as well. So to begin the walk around, we'll start with the engine here. We have the Briggs & Stratton XR 13.5 horsepower engine as well. And of course you got your gas tank here, and you got your filter right here in case you ever need to change those out. And then you have your choke right here. You know, if you're cold starting the engine, you always have your choke on as well. If the engine's warm, you don't have to have the choke on. And then your throttle is right here. To ensure that you have the full working speed, always make sure you turn the throttle all the way up. And then the electric start engine, just right here. You turn this over, start it up. Now, one neat aspect of this Briggs & Stratton engine is, let's say your battery dies on you, you do have the option to do a pull start with it. So if you have a rental plant and the battery's dead, but you've got an order that you need to process, no worries, you can still pull start it as well. But to kind of also talk about what you would use this application for, this pairs well with our concrete mixing trailers. So this is basically the loading system for the aggregates in the cement to go into the drum of our concrete mixing trailers as well. So if you want to start a short load rental service in your area, or be able to deliver 3 yards of concrete with one of our 3-yard concrete mixing trailers, this is an ideal aspect to go with your 3-yard concrete mixing trailer. As far as how you load material into this, if you had a skid steer or a wheel loader and the bucket attachment, you just load your aggregates up. You can draw a fill line, or you can put weight scales on the skid steer or the wheel loader to get your mix ratios correct. You just dump in here, shoots it into the mixing trailer, mix all the aggregates up in the cement, get the concrete, and then off you go as well to the job site. The legs, though, we'll talk about the legs real quick. So one other neat aspect with our second generation on the hopper is the adjustable legs. So if you have a forklift and you get under this, these legs will extend up. So if you want to raise this up, all you have to do is just lift this machine up, and there will be pinholes here, pinholes there, and you just lock it in with a pin. If you actually look on this side, you have one of the pins in place here just in the pinholes for the time being. But these machines, you can lift the height up on them. So if you have a specific application, like let's say you have one of our 3-yard mixers on skid rails on a truck chassis, you can lift this up so that way it can dump into the funnel as well, and also dump into the mixing trailer. So if you wanted to do a split design with some skid rolls mixers and some mixing trailers, this has adjustable height as well too. Next aspect, you can get a good view here. This is, of course, a conveyor system here as well with gears, and then also a belt system connected to the engine. So if your belt snaps, you can easily find replacement parts for belts and get it changed out if you need to. This is a dry loading hopper, so this is not a wet mix loading hopper. You can also get a water meter, and if you have a garden hose, you can add that to the back of the mixing trailer. But for right now, ours we do is a dry mixing hopper. And when we do extend it up, we do give you a little ladder that's right here. It just doesn't on the unit at the moment. We have a ladder this doesn't have a bag breaker on it as well. But if you want to see what the inside looks like, I'll show you the inside real quick as well too. But you can see where it all dumps into the conveyor belt. The conveyor belt just shoots it up to the mixing trailer. Very simple design, and it's very affordably priced for someone looking to get into dispatching materials. But that is the walk around aspect, and we will go ahead and do the live demonstration. If you do need a quote for any of the equipment that we offer, you can always call us or visit our website. Call 800-770-3956 or email sales@readymixer.com, or visit our website, hit the get a quote button, and one of our sales